Welcome to the 9th installment of Quest. Let's go ahead and explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. This special edition Atlas extension set features 4 all-new presets and 2 distinct creative profiles. In the tradition of its predecessor, this new set offers rich skin tones, deep blacks, and an overall modern feel. The first preset included, AQ091, gives you rich bronze skin tones mixed with subtle hues for a warm and modern aesthetic. The second preset included, AQ092, gives you a push in warmth and provides creamy highlights and desaturated hues for an overall vintage feel. The last color preset included, AQ093, offers cool and softened tones while maintaining accurate color with plenty of warmth. And lastly, a black and white preset, AQ094. This classic black and white offers you subtle amber toning with unique and modern look. The creative color profile included, South, gives you a rich matted warmth that will render your imagery vintage and gold. And very lastly, the creative black and white profile, North, gives you soft midnight blues with brilliant glowing highlights for a moody, low-key black and white effect.